Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a poll on the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the pause button, which is the third option down below. Click on create a poll, which is the last option in this section. You should add your question. So type it in, then add several options. You can add more options by tapping on the option button, and you can also select the poll duration ranging from 1 day to 2 weeks. Tap on the done button in the upper right corner. Here is the poll that you have just created. You can add an additional text to it, hashtags, and tap on the post button in the upper right corner to post it. Here is it appearing in the screen. As you can see, it has been posted successfully. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.